Today is Monday, Martin Luther King Day, and we're doing a little celebration. Tomorrow night, I am doing a webcast on black and whites and dressing in black and whites. And so I thought I'd put up just some beautiful black and whites that we have. I love these. This is 100%, these are all 1999. This is 100% cotton. Both sides of this fabric, I don't even know which is the right and wrong side. They're both beautiful and they're both usable, and it'd be fun to do something where both sides were shown. A jacket, some type of cardi that was mixed with a knit would be really beautiful. So I did put in some knits and wovens that you could mix together. This is really a beautiful textured black. It's a solid black. It's a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. It would just be a lovely little top. Very, very nice. Very pretty. Then this is 100% viscose. Viscose is called in Italy the poor man's silk for 1999. I guess you can see why, but isn't that beautiful? 100% viscose, just a beautiful piece of fabric, just a simple blouse. Let the blouse do all the work, and it's just really beautiful. A new blouse, lots of things anything would be great in that. This is a viscose knit. This has stretch in both directions. The drape on this is absolutely incredible, and this is light. So this would be for definitely for. I mean, I use light knits like this for pants, but I think definitely for like a top. Just absolutely a top. It has stretch in both directions. 100% viscose. You can see the drape is terrific. And again, for 1999. This, I love this very occasional black and white. It gives you a chance to really place this where you want to, whether it's a dress or a top or a jacket. Both could be. This is a scuba. It has stretch in one direction, but it's just really beautiful. The stretch is obviously going from selvage to selvage so that this can go around the body. Just a really beautiful piece. And this is also 100% viscose, but the crazy thing about this is this weight of this fabric. This is a two-way knit. This is definitely a pant weight, a jacket. It's just a little bit heavier, but it's beautiful. Both sides are usable, but it's great. It's just got great weight to it. It's just a really beautiful fabric. Pants, jacket, whatever. Anyway, again, all 1999 again today, black and white. Let's rock and roll. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.